Hello, it's your girl Bobby Shay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here to be nosy, no, I'm just joking. Subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and share. Today I'm gonna do like a purplish eye, like a little, I don't even know. 'Cause sometimes I be saying I'm gonna do something and it ends up being a whole nother look. And I know people be like, didn't she say she was gonna start off with that? So I don't know. But for right now, it's going to be purple. I already did my eyebrows. You see, I got a little going on. I don't know. I used too many concealers. I don't know what I was doing. I was trying out stuff and putting it there. Made that up. Okay, we're starting off with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Like, let me open that up. Take a little bottle. Ooh, I'm horrible at stuff like that. Look at that. I think today I'm gonna use like this right here. It's called Dusty Rose and Bronze, like a deep gold and pink rose to build up to like that smoky eye that I thought was purple, that I knew that was. I'm like, I don't know what it is. It's like fuchsia, pink, purple. We'll figure it out there. I don't like fallout, so I always start with my brows. I never do like foundation first. I did that once and it was not for me. So I'm gonna start off with the Dusty Rose, and I'm gonna make sure I have it more in the crease. You see that? It's like really, and Anastasia, I love you, girl, but this is really a lot of fallout, and I already dusted it as I started. So. Now I'm gonna go in with the mulberry and kind of build that up, because you see that I got the purple laid down. I'm just want to build it up now. Darken it and just keep it in the crease. Corner crease. You know what I mean? You see that? I don't have time to zoom. You know what I mean? Look at that. And I'm just gonna do the other side as well. Keep it in the crease to kind of build it up like a soft purple. I'm gonna build it up a little more. Usually I'll have tape to kind of like separate it, kind of keep it like winged and have it clean, but then you could just use concealer. And I'll show you that towards the end of this video. Added the mulberry and the Dusty Rose. I'm gonna conceal, like I wanna kinda like do a cut crease. I'm not too great at that, because without the P. Louise, you cannot cut crease. I don't care what nobody says. P. Louise gets the cut crease going. I have like Huda Beauty, best concealer. I love it. But for a cut crease, if you don't have the P. Louise, it's gonna be like 64% good, not 100%. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna have to put that in here because that's what I have. I have that. I have a few concealers, but the closest thing to the P. Louise that I have with color-wise is the Huda Beauty. So I'm gonna kind of give it a little cut crease before I bring the glitter in. I got like a MAC glitter. My company doesn't have the purple glitter. I'm gonna have to get that done because purple is my favorite color. How did that not happen? You feel me? But going with this once I do the cut crease, but you know, gotta build it up a little more. I'm gonna go on with a little bit of rose pink up in here, a little bit more, and then cut crease, and then we're back, and we're gonna see. Then we're back. All right, now that I'm all cut and creased, look, I'm dropping stuff. Now that I'm all cut and creased, I'm gonna start going in with the rose pink. I'm gonna start bringing it in here, like locking it in. Don't like rub, just kind of pat it in there, like lock it in above, lock it in around. Cause you see, I got the Dusty Rose, the mulberry, and now I got the pink rose. Just locking it in, so it won't be like too much. Set that on the other side, just locking it in, not too much. patting it in. Patting. I didn't even dust that off. My bad. Just gotta pat it in there. You see that? Just like a pat. Now that I got that going, I gotta figure out, yo, I'm shook. I don't even know. Just look. I'm type shook right now. I gotta put like something else before I drop that purple. Maybe I should go with bronze. I'm always with the gold. I should go in with a bronze and then hit it with the purple in the corners. Let's see how that goes.
Like my whole body up in here, so you can just see what stays in place with the gold before I drop that like purple.
The MAC purple that I'm about to use, look at it. It's like shiny, wet. Like, let's see how this goes. I'm freestyling right now. I have no idea. Like, I didn't even think about what I was gonna do because clearly I was like, I'm gonna do this, smoky out of the. It's becoming purple now. I guess I stuck to the script. See how that's coming along? I like to do stuff like this with my fingers. This is an Anastasia's two-sided brush. I have to start telling y'all that because I know people be like, I mean, what kind of brush is that? See, it's just sitting in there. Like, this is what we're looking like so far. Got a lot of, don't worry, I'm gonna fix all that up. So I used most of the Anastasia palette. I used Dusty Rose to begin, Mulberry, Pink Rose Pink, really. It says Rose Pink. And then I used the MAC, I don't know the name of this, MAC Apricot Pink, which is like purple to me. And then just kind of like blend them all together. And I also used the bronze in the Anastasia Soft palette to kind of bring it in. I might just wing the eye, throw in some lashes, and then we're gonna use the Kneaded Nude Elf palette by Anastasia. Why do I always do that?
Go ahead, dog.
I'm gonna use one of these underneath my brow bone. I think I'm gonna go with more like the light gold in here, just right underneath the brow bone. The brow bone to make it pop. I'm gonna use the MYX brush 16. It's good. You can kind of get, this is, I do this for this, so I'm just gonna hit the brow bone like that. You know, just give it a little boom boom. But I could see my hair growing in. It looks a little tacky, so I'm gonna probably close that up first and then hit the brow. I had to go off camera and do my cat eye. Let me tell you something. Shout out to the girls who could do their cat eye, excuse me, with just doing it like straight up. I have to like fully concentrate. I have to really be like, you would be cracking up if you see me. I gotta like hold my head and all that. Like, this is serious. The cat eye is not easy. And you be seeing the girls just go woof woof and be barely looking in the mirror. And it's like, I gotta get it to a map like that. Until then, I'm gonna always do it off camera. Out to mascara in my eyes a little bit. Usually I don't do this before I put on my lashes, but I have to today. Cause these lashes got a lot of volume, but you can still see the dust from the shadow on my lash itself, so it kind of looks awkward when you put it on. So I'm like dyeing it, you know, like giving it a little dye. And I have to like clean up. I have to do an under eye. I think I'm gonna just use black and brown underneath here. Yeah, I wish I could do the Bratz doll look. I really should try that off camera and just take pictures, because that's probably gonna take a lot of concentration and a whole day, because I ain't skilled like that. But I'm one of them people that will try it anyway. You know what I mean? Like, let me just give it a win, see how that. I don't like how that looks clumpy. Like, I love you Too-Faced, but after a while, your mascara starts to act. It's not even a mascara, because the mascara is good. It's just this. And it's not even old. It's just... No. People, when you have mascara, I have so many mascara. Like, I could just I have like 6 sitting right here. Throwing them away. I keep them for this though. I wash it off just to comb my eyebrows. I wash this part off, comb my eyebrows, and I'm trying to grow my underlashes. So I'm using that as well for that, just to kind of put a little bit of castor oil underneath it. My sister says olive oil, but I never heard that one before. She made that up. But I'm going to give it a try. You just never know. Now I'm getting ready to conceal. I'm going to use Morphe today. I'm going to conceal with my Morphe. With Morphe, I told you in my last video, you got to speed up. That's why I got to do it in sections. You got to hit this and then kind of like get these little spots. Like I got little spots right here that I want to cover up because I don't want to color correct. Ain't nobody got time for that. With Morphe, you got a minute to just bang that out because you be out here like going mad hard looking crazy. Alright, we're all concealed. I'm about to highlight and contour and close this thing out and then put on my lashes, love. You see, wait, was that a little British accent? I was feeling a little wild. Getting up in the cheeks. This is Huda. I actually use Huda foundation to get contour. So, just a little secret. Because all that time we spending just buying concealer and this and that contour palette, just get you mad foundations and there you go. So I got this is Huda foundation. I don't know the name of it. I'm gonna have to list so far. I put everything in a little in something before I start using it. So beats me what the name is. I just get it ready for my section. I should show y'all my fake studio. Y'all gonna be like, what the hell? It's an empty room, yeah. It's just with mad lights, but I will put it down in the description box because everything that I don't mention, like these brushes don't have a name for it. It doesn't have like a number or anything. This is a gift from I can't pronounce the name, but it's like Dolencia. Like you gotta say it with an accent. And their brushes is fairly okay for like beginners and people like, you know what I mean? And I kind of like it. But the NYX brushes and Anastasia and Morphe, you know what I mean? Like today I used Anastasia double brush, and I also used I didn't use a Morphe brush. I used NYX for my brow bone. I usually use NYX for my foundation as well too, but I use a sponge today. I smoked it out. I tried to do it like neatly under, because for some reason I got a scale, but this is the wrong brush to kind of, if you don't have like potent eyeliner, kind of do, use your black eyeshadow and then like line it, but now I have to smoke it because it like touched the bottom a little bit. But then I got a trick for you, which all old school people know. If you use 99-cent eyeliner, burn it and it becomes real like potent. I stopped doing that because that's only when I have matte eyeliner. But if I don't have Charcoal by MAC, or what is it, Graphic? Is it Graphic? No, it's Charcoal. It's Charcoal and Graffiti, if I'm not mistaken, by MAC. That is potent. It's black. That's what I like. So I went off camera and kind of like did my cheeks. Why do I look super bronzy? Like, what the hell did I do to myself? And I still didn't put no lashes on. I might just not. Let's see what, let me put the lashes on and bring that volume in. You know what I mean? Let's see what that volume does. Because this is looking, it's a look. This is a look. Tell me, right? Let me know if you're feeling this so far. Like, I don't know. I think I like this makeup look. This is something I would rock. Like, I just like gold. That's what it is. But I'm OD. You can't pump this in the summertime. You're gonna be outside looking mad bronzy and wet. Yes, you can, because when the sun hits, you be like, what? Hey, let me put the lashes. Yes, I am jacking this today. It's a softer look. Like, you can wear this to work, and you can also go out. You know what I mean? The lashes kind of give it that over-the-top look. Okay, Bobby Shay. I see you, girl. I don't know what lip to use, though. I decided. I'm going to go with Evermore from my company. It's Evermore lipstick, which is not in a matte. But if you really like matte and you want the closest thing to it, you can get Insane. So I'm staying in like my complexion kind of nudes, like a brown, like a like shades that match me, dark skin girl nudes. Thanks for watching my tutorial today. I hope it was to your liking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, love you guys.